Hey there, fabulous viewers. Welcome to our channel where we dive into all things health and wellness. Today, we are going to unravel the mystery behind a question that has been buzzing around. Can your gut impact your luscious locks? Join us as we explore the gut-hair connection and discover how you can maintain a healthy gut and have a bouncy mane at the same time. So let's start with the basics, shall we? Our gut is like the bustling metropolis of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and more. These tiny residents not only aid in digestion and keep your immune system in check, but they also might play a role in the fate of your precious strands. You won't believe it, but studies suggest that certain hair loss conditions like alopecia areata, telogen effluvium, and pattern hair loss could be influenced by the magical world of our gut microbiome. It's like a hair-raising discovery, isn't it? Let's focus on one fascinating condition, alopecia areata. This hair loss problem is an autoimmune disorder that affects around 2% of the population. And surprisingly, research indicates a link between alopecia areata and a pesky tummy trouble called irritable bowel syndrome. Some patients with alopecia areata even experience their hair regrowth after treating their IBS. Talk about a double win. Now let's understand the gut's impact on hair health. Hold on to your hats, folks. The health of our gut microbiome can influence our hormone production, immune system, and even how we metabolize nutrients. It's like a backstage VIP pass to the hair growth show. When our gut's delicate balance is disrupted, thanks to stress, a lousy diet, or antibiotic overuse, it can mess with the hair growth cycle and potentially contribute to hair loss. Who knew our gut had such a sense of style? But wait, there's more. Our gut and brain are in constant communication through the marvelous gut-brain axis. When stress takes center stage, it can wreak havoc on our gut microbiome and impact our lovely locks. So let's keep our stress levels in check and give our gut and hair some much-deserved harmony. Nurturing your gut for radiant hair. Now that we know that gut-hair connection is real, how can we be good guardians of our gut health? Fear not, friends, for we have some tempting solutions for you. Foods for hair growth and gut health. First up, let's talk about the powerhouses of nutrition that can make your hair shout hooray and your gut do a little dance. It's time to add these fantastic foods to your plate. Eggs, the versatile superstars, are packed with protein and biotin, both of which are vital for hair growth. So make sure you include these extraordinary delights into your diet to keep your hair game strong. Plus, they're great for cracking up some jokes. Sorry, that was a bad joke. Next on our list are berries, those tiny bursts of deliciousness. They're loaded with beneficial compounds and vitamins that support hair growth and keep your gut happy. Full of antioxidants, it helps reduce inflammation and hair fall associated with it. Very good, right? And hey, don't forget the leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other greens are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can promote hair health. So let's get our Popeye on and make these greens a regular part of our diet. Your hair and gut will thank you. Now let's talk about the unsung hero of gut health, fiber. Fiber is like the broom that sweeps away the troubles of your gut. It keeps everything moving smoothly and helps maintain a healthy weight. Let's give fiber a round of applause. Soluble fiber is like a magic gel that helps to lower cholesterol and glucose levels. You can find it in oats, peas, beans, apples, and other tasty treats. It's time to add a touch of gel-like goodness in your diet. And on the other hand, insoluble fiber is like a superhero that promotes digestive system movements and adds bulk to your stool. Say hello to whole wheat flour, wheat bran, nuts, and veggies like cauliflower and green beans. They'll keep your gut feeling super. Supplements for an extra boost. Sometimes our hair and gut needs an extra boost, and that's where supplements come in. But remember, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional before adding any new supplements to your routine. Safety first, folks. With that understood, one supplement that often steals the spotlight is biotin. It's known as the hair growth guru, but here's the catch: unless you have a biotin deficiency. It's best to focus on getting biotin from natural food sources like eggs. Too much of a good thing can sometimes backfire. And don't forget to embrace the power of fermented foods, which are like the rock stars of gut health. Sauerkraut, kimchi, yogurt with live cultures, and even kombucha can be your gut's BFFs. Alternately, you can get some good probiotics from the pharmacy to support your gut health. Adding organic, slow-cooked bone broth to your diet can do wonders for your gut health, which will reflect on your glowing skin and hair as well. These are ancient wisdoms of health to which science is trying to catch up today. Well, there you have it, fabulous viewers. The secret behind the gut-hair connection has been revealed. Remember to pamper your gut with love and care, and your hair might just thank you with a fabulous flow. If you've enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more science-backed health journeys. And as always, stay quirky, stay healthy, and keep shining from within. Bye for now.